everyone! So I have been on school vacation and it's been very nice and very relaxing, and I've just been like lounging around the house today. So I figured that I would show you all what I made for dinner, which is going to be high carb, low fat, healthy, vegan, etc. And that I would talk about my New Year's resolutions. So I made dinner all by myself tonight, which doesn't often happen. Normally Garrett and I make it together, but sometimes if one of us is out or busy or something, the other will kind of surprise them with a little something. So Garrett's at work tonight and I made this really awesome dinner that I'm really excited about. So first of all, I made these little spring rolls type things. I don't know if we would really call them that. And this was my first time using rice paper. Okay, can you see them? And by the way, I am doing all of this recording and videotaping on Garrett's laptop because like I said, mine's broken and I just don't have like any of the stuff to actually make videos. But I'll get to that later. Anyway, so these are so good. I already tried one, and basically what's in them is a little bit of here, I don't really have a good angle for this to see them, but they're see-through obviously. And what is inside is some tofu that I made on the stove using parchment paper so that I didn't have to use any oil, and that was a really cool experience because we just bought parchment paper for the first time and it's awesome at everything. But anyway, so it is tofu with soy sauce and brown sugar, and then there is just some plain lettuce in there, like iceberg, and rice noodles, peppers, and onions. And then I have this little dipping sauce right here, and this has soy sauce and soy sauce and brown sugar again, and then it also has chili garlic sauce, and then literally garlic powder and chili powder, and that is it. That's all that's in this. And then I also have sriracha to eat them with, of course, and if you know anything about me, you know that I eat sriracha on almost everything I can confidently say. Anyway, so we have those, and I'm really excited because they're really good. They're much better than I honestly thought they were going to be because they're mostly just lettuce and noodles, but with the dipping sauce, they're delicious. And then I have this awesome plate of fries and sweet potato fries, and this was also made using the parchment paper, and it's so cool because I always make fries. Like, I eat them almost every day actually, but recently I've been making like a little coating on them, probably because I have the time. I probably won't have time when the school year starts, but when the semester restarts, I mean, obviously. But anyway, I've been making this little coating, and these are all stuck together because of that, but I don't even care. They're so good and they're gonna be awesome even all stuck together. But anyway, it's mixing together flour and water, and then I just add my seasonings right into that. So I always put a little bit of chili powder in these, garlic powder, and just a little bit of salt. And then I honestly just eat them with ketchup usually, or plain, but they're so good. If you like battered fries from like a restaurant, you'll love these. And then I don't use any oil, of course, and I just put them right on my parchment paper, and it's awesome. Yeah, so that's what we're having for dinner, and I'm really excited for him to get home and see all this awesome food because he's going to be excited. But yeah, he won't be home for like another hour. It's going to get cold in that time, whatever. Oh well. So I made some New Year's resolutions that I wanted to share with you all. And I know everybody is making them around this time of year and working on sticking with theirs. And I think I've done pretty well with mine so far. But yeah, I just wanted to share them with you. So here we go. So my first New Year's resolution was to go to jiu-jitsu more often. And for those of you who don't know, that's what I do for exercise. I go to jiu-jitsu about 3 to 5 times a week. Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, and it's a martial art, and it's so much fun. I definitely suggest it. It is a little rough. I have bruises all over me from it, but it's so much fun. I wouldn't really trade it for anything. My second New Year's resolution is to become more flexible. So I've been stretching like every day, and I've gotten my right split back because I used to be a dancer and I used to be very flexible, but I have not been lately. But anyway, yeah, just from stretching since the new year began, I have my right split back. I'm pretty close with my left split. Not really close with the middle because when I did dance, I pulled like that middle thigh muscle. I don't know what the name of that is, but I pulled it and it hasn't been the same since, and this was years ago, and it's kind of rough, but I'm trying to gently stretch it back and hopefully eventually have my middle split back as well. My third resolution is to eat healthier and more high carb, low fat vegan, which everything I eat is not healthy or high carb, low fat. I don't want to give off that impression at all. And I've actually just recently been getting back into it. I kind of stopped for a while and definitely ate pretty unhealthy, gained some weight, all those fun things, because my boyfriend moved in with me and he's vegan, which I mentioned in my last video. He's vegan and he's more of a junk food vegan. He really enjoys the garden and all. And then my mom went vegan, which was awesome, but it means there's so much more vegan junk food in the house than there used to be. So like that cashew snickerdoodle ice cream is like always in our freezer. It's so tempting, but I've been eating healthier within like the past month or so leading up to the new year because I knew I wanted to eat healthier after the new year. But that being said, I am planning on making an exception for my soy lattes, which I drink pretty regularly, and I probably should cut back a little, but they help me study. I go to Starbucks to do my homework, and I always order a soy latte, whether it is a soy vanilla latte most of the time in the winter, but then when they have the chestnut praline, that's my drink. And then a soy mocha frappuccino over the summer. But yeah, so I'm planning on not really trying to get rid of those because, as you can see, maybe from my shirt, I am the caffeine queen, and I don't think I can give that up right now. I know I should. I know it's not good for you, and I don't suggest that you start if you're not already hooked, but I just love it, so that's me for now. My next New Year's resolution is to be more outgoing and to make more friends. So I am really introverted, and when I go to parties or go to like get-togethers that have more than like 3 people, I get really like and I just want to go home, and that's a really bad habit sort of thing that I'm trying to kick, because it makes it hard to make more friends than like the few that I have now, and it's just hard. I just would like to be able to have those experiences and enjoy them rather than just wanting to go home the whole time and really not enjoying it. But part of it is just that's my heat. Part of it is just, I don't know how to say this. Part of it is just the way people are sometimes, and being vegan definitely plays a role a lot of the time, because I get really I am one of those people that gets like a little uncomfortable when people are eating animal products, and I don't want to offend them or anything at all, and I try to like stay kind of quiet about it because I know it's not really like smiled upon to comment on like the violence. Sorry, my computer went dark. The violence and cruelty that goes into that food, but at the same time, it's hard for me to watch people eating it and enjoying it, and it just makes me uncomfortable. But yeah, so also to meet more vegan people, because that will help that problem a little bit. I feel like part of my real issue is that I have such high standards for the people that I want to hang out with, and I need to lower those a little because I'm not perfect, and nobody's perfect, and I can't expect everyone to be perfect for me to want to hang out with them. My next resolution was to drink more water, which is a really common one, but it has been happening, and it's been helpful. I really like it. I feel so much better actually now that I've been like really hydrated, because I have a big problem with having a lot of salt, and I get so bloated all the time, and it's not like better because I still eat a lot of salt and drink caffeine and all those bad things, but it is improving, and I get really dark circles under my eyes, which have not been going away yet, but I've been told by other people who've done this that drinking more water will help with that, so I'm hoping for that result eventually. My final resolution is to make more YouTube videos, and this has been really challenging for me because I don't really have like the technology for it, if that makes sense. So as I've mentioned, my laptop got broken, and I don't have the movie maker thing that Macs have, and that's what I'm using now on Garrett's laptop. But it's just really like, my laptop's just broken in general, so I wouldn't even want to use it for anything. And then I also don't have like a nice camera, so I'm thinking that with my tax return I'm gonna get like a nice camera and really start like getting out there. And I obviously don't have like a big following right now on YouTube at all, and I'm okay with that, and I really appreciate everybody who does watch my videos. You guys are awesome. But I do want to like change that a little like this year, because I feel like I have a lot to say about a lot of things, and I would just like to spread that message more, sort of a thing. So yeah, that's my plan. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please like the video if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel. There will be all kinds of things in the future, I'm hoping, with my New Year's resolution to make more videos. I'm going to talk about food recipes, and then other things like my makeup, maybe, I was thinking about. Because I think I would like to do like a little, what I have in my makeup drawer that is vegan and cruelty free and all those things. So yeah, awesome. Thank you for being here. Oh, and comment below what your New Year's resolutions were, if you made any, and if you didn't, why not?